M0FXB, welcome to my channel. We're just going to quickly go through the external connectors of the ICOM 7300. So we'll start off with number one, which is the DC power socket, and we'll just read it from the manual. 13.8 volts, accepts 13.8 volts DC through the DC power cable. Number two is here, is the ground terminal, connects to the ground to prevent electrical shocks, TBI, BCI and other problems. Number three will be the antenna connector, which is here. Connects to a 50 ohm PL259 coax connector. Number four is the socket ACC, which is here. Connects to devices to control an external unit or to control the transceiver. Number five, which is here, it looks like a printer USB connector, and it says, let's get it right, it says USB port B type, connects to PC. Then you've got number six, which is this small one here. CIV remote control jack, connects to a PC or other transceiver for external control. That's interesting because I've never done that. Number seven is this one here. This one here, number seven. So that is external speaker jack, accepts 4 to 8 ohms external speaker. Number eight is the key jack, so that's here. Number 8 is the key jack. Connects to a straight key, external electronic key or a paddle with a 6.35mm 1/4 inch stereo plug. Then you've got number 9, which is this one here, number 9. Send control jack, connects to control transmit with non-ICOM external units. Then you've got number 10 next to it here, number 10. AUX input jack, connects to the AUX output jack of a non-ICOM linear amplifier. Number 11, I think we all recognize this one. Accepts control cable from an optional AH4 or AH740 automatic tuner. Number 12 is just telling you that there's a cooling fan. Let me just quickly go to the front. So on the front, it's basically your microphone. So let's take it off. Microphone connector. Take it out. There you go. How many pins is that? 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, is it? Anyway, microphone connector. Then you've got your headphone jack there. And, well, really that's it. And you've got your SD card, which is this type. For quite useful, very useful for firmware updates and backing up the radio and reloading and settings and I think even photographs for the boot up screen. So yeah, I hope this helps. 7.3, all the best. M0FXB clear.